What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Two Phones, back again with another video. And this video is going to be about TextNow app versus the TextNow wireless service, which I have on the Moto G5 Plus, and it's been working phenomenal for me. Unfortunately, for one of my other followers, they were frustrated. They don't like CDMA, and yes, CDMA has its weaknesses, okay? You can't really use CDMA SIM cards in every smartphone. That's why your phone has to be fully unlocked. Anyways, that wasn't his problem. It was some other stuff. He not technical, all right? He's not technical. You're not technical. You know who you are. Anyways, the real difference is between the two differences is one is on if you guys know I was using the Galaxy J3 with Freedom Pop AT&T SIM card, and I've done some testing today with both of these services, with the AT&T Go phone and with the Moto G running on TextNow. They both connected to Wi-Fi, open Wi-Fi hotspots. They both connected to the same networks without any issues, without any problems. I was still able to surf, text, call, whatever. It works, okay? It works. The TextNow wireless connectivity. Okay, the difference between the apps is that the regular app on Android, it only gives you calls and texts. You can still use it on your regular service, but it only gives you calls and texts, and we can go right into the settings. And when you go to the calling, this is the main difference. Okay, so you're only getting call forwarding if you do the subscription. See, you gotta do another subscription. But yeah, so you do that, you gotta pay the $2.99 a month or $29.99 a year, which isn't bad. And from what I found out, truthfully, you can use your Google Play credits. You can use your Google Play credits to pay for that monthly. So they give you a 14-day free trial just to try it out, because you can see the ads. Sometimes they are annoying, I give you that, but you get free calls and texts over Wi-Fi. And like I said, if you're using the Freedom Pop data SIM, or you're using the T-Mobile data SIM, it'll work out for you. Another thing, you got the Wi-Fi to data handover, and all I gotta do is, once again, spraying that to you, that it just basically picks the best network. So if the Wi-Fi is weak, it'll transfer you back over to the data cellular. Okay, and to be truthfully honest, that's the really big difference between the app and the service. Now, actually, there is one more big difference. With the TextNow wireless service, you get unlimited data. Yes, you get unlimited data, which means, as you can see, I just switched to Wi-Fi. That might be a Moto G problem. I think that's a Moto G5 Plus problem. Anybody else had the issue that they'll connect and disconnect, let me know. But anyways, TextNow, in the app, in the settings, it will actually show you connect to Wi-Fi networks. So it will automatically connect you to Wi-Fi networks to reduce data usage. But you got unlimited data, so you don't even really need the Wi-Fi on unless you want to, unless you don't have Sprint in the area and you got Wi-Fi. See, I'm running on Sprint with this one. They also have T-Mobile, but they're like separate SIM cards. They sort of do what Project Fi does, but they don't switch between networks. They don't switch between cellular and Wi-Fi. That's the difference between TextNow and Project Fi. Project Fi has like 4 networks plus the Wi-Fi, and TextNow only has Sprint or T-Mobile. So it just depends on which phone you're going to use TextNow wireless with. But the application will work on iPhone. The application will work on your laptop. The application will work on the tablet. So, and this is another quick comparison with the Hangouts, how Google Hangouts works. If you're using Project Fi, you get different. You'll be able to get text messages and calls on any device once you set it up that way. If you are using Project Fi, the best way to use it is through Google Hangouts. So you could always have your calls and texts on your phone, your laptop, computer, if you want it like that. If you don't want it like that, then use the stock dollar app. And that's another downside to the TextNow wireless service. You have to actually use the TextNow dollar, which is this thing right here. If it opens, okay. So you'll have to use this to call out, to make calls. You can use the stock dollar, but it'll send you right back to the TextNow app. Unfortunately, that's how TextNow wants their software to run on Android. But iPhone, you don't have that issue. iPhone, you're going to be using the stock dollar app anyway. But, okay, so those are the two major differences. Both, I mean, they're identical on the phones. They're identical. As you can see, there's nothing really different about them. You can still customize them the way you want to. You can get dark themes, light themes on the texting side. And that's the real big difference. Like I said, I would take the advantage of the TextNow wireless plan for the simple fact you have unlimited data. The calls and texts were already free. Another advantage you get with the TextNow wireless service is that you get the you can earn credits. Once again, I'm talking about credits. You can earn $20 or each sign up, so you can check that out, and then you can pay with your balance. So you can earn money, free money for your phone service by watching videos, downloading apps, doing complete offers, referring friends to TextNow Wireless, sharing it on Facebook, sharing it on Twitter. So that's another way to save money and to technically make your phone plan free. And yeah, you won't even have to worry about data with this, because like I said, I'm using this on Freedom Pop, but we're going to talk about that in another video. All right, it's your boy, Two Phones. Let me know your thoughts. Would you rather just use the TextNow wireless plan, or would you just use the TextNow app and then, swap to T-Mobile or Freedom Pop? All right, it's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.